set 20 voltage. Now I will increase the duty cycle of BLDC motor and the motor speed also increased. At 90% duty cycle, the motor speed is 4600. I will decrease the duty cycle and motor speed also decreased. Now I will give 30% of duty cycle. The motor speed is 1900 rpm. Now I set the input voltage as 10 volt. The 10 volt output will be shown in output. Now I shown the pulse output of Spartan 6 processor. This is the Spartan 6 output pulse with the 10% duty cycle. Now I increase the duty cycle and the pulse also varying. And simultaneously output voltage also increased. At 80% duty cycle, output voltage is 48 volt. Now I decrease the duty cycle by using Spartan 6 processor key control. The boost converter output voltage is greater than input voltage. I will set 20 voltage approximately. I will measure the DC voltage by using multimeter. This is the 10% duty cycle. The 10% duty cycle means the output voltage is 5 volt, input voltage is 20 volt. If increase the duty cycle means I will give 90% duty cycle and the voltage is 18 volt. Input is 20 volt, output voltage is 18 volt at 90% duty cycle. If decrease the duty cycle means the DC voltage also decreased. Now 43% duty cycle, the output voltage is 13.89 voltage.
We started the motor. You can see that motor start rotating. So at initial rotation, you can see that motor is rotating at high speed. I will reduce the motor speed. You can see that motor starts decreasing. Now the motor is running at 280 rpm. Press the increment button. Whenever I press the increment button, you can see that motor speed start increasing. You can see that it is running at 740, 840 rpm, 910. So it is running at 1490 rpm, which is somewhat like around 1500 rpm this motor is running. So it can be easily controlled using that FPGA setup. So we can increase or decrease the induction motor speed using the Spartan 6 FPGA kit.
Okay, now the motor setup is running. It is running at a minimum speed of 290 rpm. Now we interfaced proximity sensor to the motor. So proximity sensor read the value which is connected to external IO pins of FPGA lines. Then the value converted into RPM measurement and displayed in LCD. You can see 290 is displaying. Now we are going to increase the speed of the motor from 290 to 1500 rpm. We can see the gradual increase of its value here. It is gradually increasing the frequency up to 50 Hz. 50 Hz frequency, the motor will run at 1480 rpm. So this is the maximum value at which this motor can run.